Do you want to earn money through WhatsApp? Not everyone can earn. But there is a solution. If you follow the instructions given in this video, and if you are really serious, then you have to watch the video till the end. And definitely there is a secret trick as well at the end. So without wasting time, let's get started. WhatsApp has recently launched a new feature. The name of the feature is Meta AI. It is available to every user. And most of you must be using it for fun. But you can use it in a proper way to earn money. The feature is definitely a great help to all the users. It can help the students to complete their assignments, an office boy to complete his official tasks, a learner to understand what he doesn't know. But it can be a source of generating money. And you can easily earn money if you know the trick. So if you are serious and really want to earn through Meta AI, then the first step is you need to become a content creator. The best one is a YouTuber. Through this feature, I will tell you how to create your contents. To start the content creation, first of all you need the content. Meta AI can suggest topics, titles, and ideas for videos based on trends, audience interests, and channel analytics. After selecting a particular content, it can assist in writing scripts, outlines, and even entire video scripts of your topic, saving your time and effort, even if some details are missing. It can also help with research on topics, providing information, statistics, and data to make content more engaging and informative. Meta AI-powered tools can aid in video editing, such as automated captioning, color correction, and audio enhancement. But these tools are not very common now. For this I will suggest you a specific AI tool at the end of the video which can be helpful for you in doing all these tasks. After creation of the video, another important aspect is the making of thumbnails. Meta AI can create eye-catching thumbnail images to increase video click-through rates. For any content on YouTube, it can be useless unless you don't use the proper SEO. Meta AI can suggest relevant keywords, tags, and descriptions to optimize video visibility on YouTube and search engines. For a YouTuber, community plays an important role to boost the channel. One can post different topics in the community section to attract more and more audience. Meta AI can help create interactive content, like quizzes, polls, and challenges, to increase audience engagement. Finally, when your channel fulfills all the basic requirements, you can monetize it. And then start earning money. And the best part of the tool is, it is completely free to use. In the middle of the video, I told you that I would suggest you an AI tool for video editing. The name of this tool is Pictory.ai. It is a very useful tool for video making through script, providing relevant videos and images. And it can also provide you the voiceovers as well. You can go and check the tool by yourself. So with WhatsApp's new AI feature, without much hard work, with little time and effort, you can become a good content creator. And even you can start earning as well. Definitely these tricks will help you. And if you have found this video useful, you can like, share and subscribe for more useful videos.